All right, guys. So we are back again, and we are introducing new members to the family at our backyard farm. You already aware we had one turkey, a female grown turkey. Now today we are introducing a new family. We've just gotten some poults. In case you are not familiar with what the poult is, it's just a young turkey. We've gotten some poults, about 14 of them, and we are going to introduce them to the farm. So just stay tuned and see how it goes. We've already prepared where they are going to lodge. We had the space in advance because we had planned to have them here with us. So this is their space. We already have the water stored for them. We've stocked it with food for them. They are just over about a month old. We've stocked food for them, and we are coming to introduce them to their new place of abode. So we have some here, and we have their fellow siblings also here. Now, let's see how it goes. So, the process is ongoing, and we have to be very careful they don't fly away. So, we are trying to be very tactical in releasing them. Let me just hold it a bit. Yeah, good. And it's freedom. Freedom, 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 freedom. Go, 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 go. Hey, now these guys don't want to go. Okay, you can see them, right? Yeah, good. So that's the first four of them. Let me just close it a bit whilst we introduce the rest. We are bringing the next batch. Oh yeah, okay. Same process. These guys are really active, so I'm very careful letting them out. I don't want them to jump ship where I have to start chasing them. Okay, so let's go. Freedom. Freedom. Yeah. Oh yeah. So there we go. Now, these are the latest members of our poultry family. You can hear my accountant in the background. That's my wife. And, she's doing the numbers. They are supposed to be 14. She's my business partner. And I'm Patricia, watch your head, oh. Yeah, so how many? 13 or 14. Okay, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is blocking me. It's blocking my view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll do that later. I think they have to spread out a bit so I can do that very well. But basically, you see them. And I've always been saying, for those of you who are not familiar with how this started, just go back to my playlist. You see how we even built this cage. I told you that everything is a matter of time, consistency, and compounding effect. And if you don't give up, it keeps growing. We've had some failures actually. Maybe I'll do another video one day and talk about the challenges. But little by little, it's growing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ase baako da hɔ. Ɔda hɔ. Afei na ɔpagya no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so sorry, like I was saying, we've had some challenges along the way and we didn't give up. We were not really experts in all this. Most of the knowledge we got from asking people, some we got from our own research, but we are still growing. And it hasn't been an easy journey, but I would say it's been a beautiful journey. And we keep learning as we keep going. But like I've been saying, what is the essence of sticking to just one way of earning a living or earning some money when you have other means associated with earning of money, just that you are required to get some knowledge to be able to harness it, leverage on it. If you have any piece of land behind you near your place, see how you can monetize it. Now, as it stands now, these guys, they are just about a month old because we are not experts in the keeping of turkeys. We didn't want to go through the hassle of the breeding stage, so we got them as poults. That doesn't mean it's going to be easy. I know it will have its challenges. I've been told it will have its challenges, but to be fair, that's what makes the victory more enjoyable if we can surmount those challenges and grow them to productive adults. Then the fruits of the labor we would have put in will start showing. So we are doing this. And like I've told you, it's not like we are full-time farmers. We have other things that we do within the day, which requires us to be away from these animals. But they also live their lives as long as we're able to provide them with the basics. So don't sit and watch this and think that, oh, I can't do this, or I'm a novice, I'm an amateur, I don't know anything. I also didn't know anything actually. But if you sit with me now and I'm schooling you on some things, you might think I got to know everything because of a course I did or some program I did at a school. I didn't study this in school. I studied this from people who were doing the same thing. And that is the beauty of learning. You can learn something new every day just by opening up and submitting yourself in humility to people who are doing the things you want to learn. Just like that, you are good to go. This didn't really cost us so much. But if this venture is successful, the benefits we reap from it is quite enormous. We just delayed some gratitude, we delayed some gratification just to start this. And it's gradually booming. We already have one adult female turkey, and I'm sure she'll be happy to hear young ones of her kind crying in the background. Well, it seems she was lonely. Maybe next month you'll get that one also, a fully grown male turkey who will keep her company. You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. So I bring you these videos not just to show you what we have, but also to show you that it's possible. These things, they grow in time. And I always say that no matter what you do, time is always moving. Time is always moving. What are you planting in the movement of time? Because then it will compound over that same time if you are consistent and determined. Subscribe if you are yet to do so. I'll catch you in the next video.